So, ang lalarain natin, itong demo lang to ng We Harvest Shadows. So, it's kinda horror movie din siya. And maganda yung graphics niya. So, let's try this. And this will be out soon in Steam. So, samahan niyo ako mag-explore sa game na to.
Those eyes, that demonic face in the rearview mirror, that's when it all started. It was the morning after everything went down. I didn't have anyone anymore.
Oh,
I
ang
got
ganda
into
ng view.
Mom's old
Maganda yung
truck to drive
graphics
back to
niya.
New York like I always do. But something happened that I can't explain. I saw my exit, turned on the blinker, and drove right past it. It sounds crazy, but I physically could not turn the wheel. So I drove for 4 hours straight.
Ang
I was
gagabi
in a
na.
rush to nowhere. So I drove, empty headed and exhausted. That's when I saw it. It felt like the only right thing to happen to me in years. All I wanted was to
So,
walk
saan
down
tayo
that path,
pupunta?
lock the
Ano
gate,
to?
and leave everyone
Farmstead
behind.
Short Sale.
It
May
would cost me
binibenta.
everything I had, but I needed solitude. So I bought the farm.
Oh, binili niya daw
I
yung
did lock
farm.
the gate, and I did throw away the key as hard as I could. I started laughing out of sheer joy.
Tinapon niya
It
yung
was the last
susi.
time that I laughed. I couldn't believe I was actually doing it. I was finally ready to forget it all and be forgotten.
We harvest shadow.
You made me a promise, Garrett, in our backyard garden when you were little.
Maganda yung graphics. Ang pino ng
It's probably not what you
pagkakadetail.
expected, but I'm gonna keep that promise, Mom.
Pati yung parang lightning effect sa weather. Yung shadow, maganda siya. Walang kung kailan lalabas to sa Steam, pero coming day 1. The Unseen
All right, Garrett.
Wanderer.
Today's the day. You're
Ah,
gonna leave the house. Hold your applause, everyone.
ang
But
bilis
where did I
naman.
put that to-do list? If I can find it in all this
Ang bilis,
garbage.
nandito na siya. Wala akong flashlight. Okay, flashlight. Press F for flashlight. Ano to? Things to remember. Check my to-do list every day. Don't forget to use tools. There should be some laying around the house. And I can buy more in the mail order catalog. Get to bed on time. These woods give me creeps. Drop things in the trailer to sell them. Okay. 3 logs are worth a few cents, but tomatoes and chickens are much more valuable. My ultimate goal should be buying the rifle, but it will work on my to do first for a few days and save up some cash. Okay. So, hanapin natin yung to-do list. Saan ba yun? Uy, parang ito yun ah.
Whew.
Okay. Nakakagulat naman
Now,
yung tunog na to.
time for the greatest dopamine release
Pick up
possible.
trash in the bedroom and
Cleaning your
throw
room
it to the
and
trailer.
scratching it off your to-do list.
Okay. O magtatanggal tayo ng kalat. Saan pa ba may kalat? Ito. Okay, tapos pwede daw to ibenta sa trailer. Kailangan natin trailer. Mabebenta din to. Ay, malinis. Oh, ayan. Natakot naman to. Ay. So, hindi na nadadampot. So, kailangan na natin dito sa trailer. Oo, ang ganda, ang ganda. Ang ganda ng ano. Ganda ng graphic. Okay, so nandun yung
Man, it's
trailers.
pretty here.
So, kailangan
Not a
nating
soul for miles. I should
i-drop.
have done this years ago.
Seryoso ba to? Parang ang hirap naman i-drop. Okay. So, meron tayong 0.19 cents dollars. May kalat pa sa loob eh. So, kailangan nating makuha yung mga ibang kalat. I guess.
Looks like it's missing some pages.
Okay, access your map by holding Q. But you will first need to look at towers before it's useful. If you have found all the items in a certain location, a check mark will be added to the icon. There are no in-game waypoint markers, so be sure to slow down, study your map, and plan your next move with resolve. All right. Hindi pa tayo pwedeng magdampot ulit ng kalat just to... Okay, so kailangan nating lumabas. Umaga pa oh. Okay, so I think ito yung catalog. Okay, tools. So, kailangan natin ng axe. $15? Farming. Ito. Anong gagawin? Ito. Ang meron sa... Ay, hindi. May daanan din pala dito. Okay. I think ang next na gagawin is... Ano ba sabi sa to-do list? Buy a watering can. 195. Pick up a trash in a bedroom, show it in the trailer. Oh. Hindi pa ba tapos yun? Hindi na ako makapagdampot ng trash eh. Paano ako magdadampot ng trash? Kailangan ko ma-figure out kung paano. Kaya yun. Kailangan ba ng karato? Katakot naman tong painting.
Huh. I don't remember this being here.
Keep an eye on the mysterious painting of the hallway. It will change in the subtle and sometimes not so subtle ways to signify your mental state and alert you to danger. The more horrifying the painting, the more danger you're in. Okay, so kailangan natin bantayin yung painting. So, 95% pa kailangan ko pa magdampot ng kalat. Pero hindi ako makapagdampot ng kalat. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Buy a watering can. Watering can? Eh, hindi pa ako nakakapagdampot ng kalat. Kasi kulang pa yung pera ko. Wala pa akong $1. Kulang pa siya. Meron pang ibang way? Medyo nakakabobo 'tong game na 'to, Di ko alam kung paano.
I'm good food wise for a long time. Cans of beans as far as the eye can see.
Pinaka-classic nung ref niya. I think kailangan kong umakyat. Uy! Putik, ano yun? Ay, meron pala sa ibabaw ng cabinet. Yes. Sarado mo na. Pick up trash in the bedroom and throw it on the trailer. Oh, bakit ganun? May makakalat pa ba? Wala naman ako makuhang. Ayun. So, kailangan mag-start dito sa bedroom. So, try natin dito sa part na 'to. Hindi naman ako so feeling ko last night. So, kailangan natin harap.
Okay, that wasn't bad. Maybe I can get these tomatoes watered and then I'll be done. Now this should
Okay,
come in
okay,
handy.
okay. Okay, punta tayo sa catalog and then bilhin natin ng watering can. Yung okay, diligan natin 'tong mga tomato. Shit, nakakatakot. Ayoko na magtagal sa labas. Okay, kailangan na daw matulog.
It wasn't a lot, but it was something. I better get to bed.
Tara na, tara na, tara na,
One day
tara na,
down,
tara na, let's go,
eternity
tara
to go.
na. Uy, shit. Abutin! Shit, shit, shit. Fuck! Tulog na, tulog. Oh, sorry. Oh. Okay, it's day 2. Day 2 na, day 2. Nakaka-stress 'tong laron 'to. Okay? Anong meron sa to-do list? Collect 2 tomatoes. Buy the build book. Huh? Build a chicken coop. Nakakatakot namang Oh, nakita ko yung multo. May Uy, ano yun? Sheesh. Ano yung fairy? Umiilaw, oh.
Huh? What is that? Claire?
Uy, may
Whoa!
usa.
You remind me of someone, girl.
Eh. Nag-flashback? Flashback. Okay, na-flashback niya 'to. Siguro
You
ito yung
getting hooked up or
girlfriend
what?
niya.
I'm sorry, I just can't get over this view.
I can't believe you've never crossed the bridge before.
Yeah, but why leave downtown anyway?
To come see me, obviously.
Of course. Good point. Probably the best point.
Oh.
Whoa! Is that
Oh,
a
yun yung
deer?
usa.
How did she even get here? Hold on, give us some space. We've got
May
to
usa. Oh, yun yung usa. Oh, gosh.
It's okay. It's okay.
Okay,
Let's get
so
you
kailangan
home.
natin i-collect na yung tomatoes.
Claire, do you ever think about me? Like I think about you?
Okay, let's
You
collect
ever
some
wonder where I am?
tomatoes.
It doesn't matter. Get back to That's all you're
Okay.
good for.
Benta na natin tong tomato. Tomato. Okay, anong next? Buy the build book. Okay, so kailangan daw nating ano saan ba maganda magtanim? Ang part. Narinig niyo yung background music. Ang ganda, nakaka-relax na parang, alam mo yun, nakakagana. So siguro try natin dito sa area na to. Yan. Okay, try natin dito. Isa pa. Okay. Another one. Okay, isa pa dito. Tabihan natin para pantay-pantay sila. Okay, dito na lang banda. Okay. Ganun. Okay. Anong next? Buy the build book. Farming. Ito. Bili tayo nitong tomatoes. Okay. Grabe naman. Okay. Tanim natin. Okay. Paplant tayo ng tomato seed. Ito pa. Pwede ba? Okay. Para mas marami pang mas marami tayong tanim na tomato. Tapos ang next ata kailangan nating gumawa ng anong next? Buy the build book. Okay. House, farming, needs tools. For farming. Wala pa eh. Wait lang. Try natin managa ng kahoy. So, try natin itong tagain. Ayan. Tagain natin. Uy! Mga pananim ko. Kahala ko. Mabagal siya. Bumabagal siya pag mabigat yung dala. Okay, so pwede nating mabenta yung mga logs. Sana pa yung iba? Mabagal siya pag marami na siyang bit-bit. Mabagal-bagal na siya. So, pag inisa-isa kasi natin, parang mas lalong matagal. So, kailangan nating okay. Magkano din yun? Meron pa bang natira dito? Ayun, nandun. Ang layo ng tinalsikan niya. Oo, ang bagal niya pag dalawang logs yung dala. Grabe, ang bagal. Bilis, magagabi na. Okay. Putulin na lang din natin to. Okay, putol. Okay, kunin mo. Benta na. Medyo mababa yung presyo ng bentahan ng Okay. Okay, 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 okay. Shit, lulubog na yung araw, lulubog na. Kailangan na nating bumalik. Pero kailangan mabuo tayo ng... Di ko alam magkano na yung pera natin. Pero feel, kulang pa ba yun? Uy, medyo madilim na. Padilim na. Kunin lang natin tong last. Bagal. Sobrang bagal niya. Uy, shit, may bumubulong. Sino yun? Okay, bilhin natin to. Shit, gabi na. Uwi muna tayo. Uwi muna, uwi muna. Ay, puta, may na. Meron. Oo, meron. May babae ako nakita. Parang ayoko na umakyat sa taas. Sheesh. Ay, diretso na tayo. Diretso na higa. Oh, hindi pa daw kompleto. Anong baya build book? Anong baya build book? Gabi na nga. Oh, gusto ko na matulog. Gabi na. Ah, sobrang dilim. Nabili na natin to eh. $1. Buy the build. Idiligan mo na. Grabe naman to. Gabing-gabi na. Pinapatrabaho pa. Tamo? Close the door. Close the door. Kanina kasi madilim na eh. Okay, tulog na tayo. Kailangan na matulog. Kailangan na matulog. Day 3 na. Day 3. Day 3 na. Day 3. Okay. Ito na naman. Buy the build book. Dahan-dahan muna tayo kasi baka mamaya. Okay, parang feeling ko pa umaga na to. Tama ba? Pa umaga na to eh. Oh. Mamaya ba'y bumubulong-bulong na naman? Nadiligan ko ba? Wala pa to. So, managa muna lang muna tayo ng kahoy. Feeling ko kailangan pa natin ng maraming pera para makabili. Kasi pinapabili pa tayo eh. Bagal lang. Mabagal lang talaga yung ano. See? Bagal oh. Like, sobrang bagal. Ay, takbo na tayo para ano yung iba? Okay. Bagal. Napakabagal, napakabagal. Okay, I think dalawa pang logs yung kailangan nating kunin. Grabe, ang bagal. Magtatalon-talon naman tayo. Oh, ganun din. Bagal mo, ang bagal. Ang bagal ng karakter natin. Tingnan ko kung makakabili. Ba't bukas mo yung flashlight ko? $4 pa lang eh. $4 pa lang. Wala pang namumunga. Kala ko. Sige, taga muna tayo ng puno. Sige, isa-isa na lang para feeling ko mas mabilis. Okay, so hindi na siya pwedeng madampot kasi nailagay na nga ata. So, takbo na lang muna tayo para mabilis. Isa-isa na lang muna. Hindi ko pa na bubuo yung ano. Okay, takbo na lang tayo. Okay, 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 okay. Okay, meron pa dong isa. Ang ganda, oh, napakaganda ng ano, nasa remote area talaga yung bili niyang farm. Ako guys, gusto ko rin talaga magkaroon ng farm someday. Like ako yung magtatanim lahat ng fruits and vegetables. Nga lang, sobrang nakakatakot din pag ikaw lang pag wala kang kasama. Pero alam nyo, ang sarap tumira sa farm kasi malayo sa ingay ng city, um, malayo sa ano ng ng populasyon. Yung sobrang daming tao, siksikan, tapos mausok. Nakakasawa na rin tumira sa city kasi halo-halo na yung noise pollution. So, hindi ko sure kung magkano na yung pera natin. Okay, hiningal na siya. Pahinga muna tayo. Makakabili na ba? Okay. Ito. Build book.
Okay, you got
Okay.
this. Just follow the instructions, bro.
Build a chicken soup. Okay. Structure. $10. So, kulang pa. $5 din yung chicken. Seryoso? Kailangan pa natin magkano na pera? Sige, managa muna tayo. Kailangan mo natin managa. Okay? Okay. Kailangan natin maka $10. Tapos palubog na naman yung araw. Grabe, napakabilis naman. Napakabilis naman. Grabe. Bubuksan natin yung flashlight kasi medyo madilim na. Hindi ko lang sure kung nakakamagkano na tayo. Kasi kailangan natin ng $10, ay $15 kasi $5 yung chicken kailangan bilhin. Parang alam niyo guys, yung larong The Forest, parang ganitong ganito din yung parang hindi ko lang sure. Okay. So, I guess pwede na kabit. Dito na lang siguro. Ayun. Okay. Kailangan ng matulog. Grabe oh. Teka lang, huwag muna kayo manggulat. Matutulog pa lang ako. Okay, matutulog na tayo. Matutulog na muna. Ba ano yun?
I guess I'll take a quick look outside.
Okay. Anong meron? What's that sound? Grabe, kailangan pa talagang tignan yun kung ano yun. Uy, ano yun? Hoy! Shit! Shit! Kailangan ba talagang tignan? Oh! Shh! Ano yun? Puwitik na uwak ka yan. Uwak lang pala eh. Uy! Parang merong nakikita dito ah. Guni-guni ko lang yun. Uy! Puta, nagulat ako.
Get a grip.
The lonely nights can destroy you. Nighttime in the forest can be specifically dangerous. You can avoid the night by finishing your to-do list and going to the bed early. You can also clean your home and grow your farm. The greater your farmstead grows, the more protected you will be from dangerous hunting. Okay.
You're a grown-ass adult, Garrett. There's
Okay.
no one out here.
Kailangan ng
Go and look
matutulog.
around if you're so scared, you baby.
Oh, yung painting. Ano yun? Gago mo kasi TV. Ano ba ito patayin?
What?
Hindi napapatay. Hindi namamatay. Uy! Tulog na tayo, baka mamaya may umatake pa. Ay! Ay! Okay, it's day 4. Day 4, day 4 na, day 4, day 4.
I don't feel as alone as I used to. Wish that wasn't the case.
Ito pa umaga o pa gabi. Natulog na tayo eh. Buy a better app. O pinabibili tayo ng maganda. Ito na naman yung mga lobo. Paumaga na 'to. Siguro mga 5:00 'to ng madaling araw. $15, $11 pa lang yung meron tayo. Okay, so simulan na nating managa. Masikat na naman yung araw. So, ang kulang natin is $4. Naubos na yung mga puno dito. Inubos na natin. Okay, tara. Yung umaga na. Ang bilis dito maggabi. Dapat medyo i-extend nila. Sobrang bilis maggabi. So, hindi ko sure kung magkano na lang yung kulang. Basta kailangan natin ng $15. Okay. Tingnan natin kung magkano na. 13. $2 pa kulang. Okay? So, try natin to. Okay. Parang pusa. Hello, kitty kitty. Hello.
Where'd you come from, Mom? I think I
Hi,
have a
kitty
food wall on the porch
kitty.
for you.
Okay, let's get back to work. Oh, kulang pa. Kulang pa. Kulang pa. Oh, parang hapon na. Ang bilis. Napakabilis. Okay, so feeling ko last na to. Ma-upgrade na natin yung Okay. Okay, anong next? Explore the inside of
Get
the
ready to
barn.
venture out beyond the fence now. Let's see what's out there.
Seryoso. You can break wooden fences with your new axe. Siguro dito na lang tayo. Ayan, yan. Dito tayo sa area na to. There you go. Ito yung barn. So, kailangan natin siyang i-explore. Okay. Okay.
Wow, this is incredible. This will be perfect for cattle.
Nakakagulat naman yung sound effect na parang tutunog.
Wow, this looks like pure zinc. I read that an old factory is nearby.
Kunin natin to. Feeling ko mahal to. Mahal to kasi bakal to eh. Okay, try natin. Uy, $30. $30. $30 yun ah. Actually, magagabi na naman. Wala naman siguro mga atake dito. Iakyat tayo sa taas. Akit, akit, akit. Okay. May bala ng baril. Ang pwede natin makuha dito. Baka umakit kanina. Uwi na tayo, gabi na. Gabi na. Uy! Shit, kinakabahan ako. Ready ko yung kami, ano dito, may tao. Nakatakot naman yung sound effects nito. Okay. Okay. Chapter complete. New shop items unlocked. So may na-unlock tayong item. Okay.
What the hell do I do now?
To progress the story, go to shop and buy an item. Mark with asterisk. It will start sequence important events and tasks, which will lead to revelation about characters' past and future. Completing chapters will also unlock items in the okay. So, ano natin? Break up
I wonder if I can buy that
3
rifle yet.
stamps. Pick up, pick up and sell all. Sell 12 lang. Dami naman. Eh, parang may umakyat ah. Okay, so kailangan natin mag-pick up ng trash. Hindi na pwede sa puno na. So, umaga na to. Okay. Okay, okay, okay. Okay. Linisin muna natin yung mga kaalat. Dami naman. Hold on. O bumagal na siya kasi ang dami ng dalang basura. Okay, medyo bumilis tayo doon. Dami pa palang basura dito. Hindi na naubos. O hindi na kaya. Pala dumaan. Ito tayo dumaan. Daan tayo dito sa likod. Ilan ba pinto meron to? 3? Okay, kunin natin. Ano pa ba? Feeling ko yun na lang kulang. Basura. Pa ba? Wala na. Let's go. Drop na natin to. Pera din to. Okay. Sell 12 logs. Break up 3 stumps. So, kailangan maubos tong mga puno dito. Like, uubusin. Oh, okay. Hindi siya na ano. Sige. 12 logs. Okay. Twelve logs ang kailangan natin. So, nakakadalawa pa lang ako. Okay. 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 Parang masyadong marami yung 12 na ano, na logs. Oh, grabe, ang bilis maggabi. Ang bilis-bilis maggabi dito sa ano, sa game na to. Pa bang pwede? Okay, itong puno na to, ito na tagain natin. Parang mas madali siya. Kala ko masira yung ano, bahay ng manok. Eh, sa larong to, kailangan masipag ka at mahaba yung pasensya. Eh, Nakailan na tayo? Ay, malapit na. Wait lang. Saan yung iba? Saan ba banda? Ay, meron pa. Kunin pa natin yung iba. See? Ang bilis. Magagabi na naman. Okay. Break up 3 stumps. Putik na gulatok. Ano yun? Kanino ko lang pala yun. Eh, saan pa yung iba? Gulat ako kala ko. Grabe yung mga ano dito. Parang mga tunog ng hayop dito. Parang hindi hayop. O hiningal na. Pahinga daw muna. Eh, kailangan na matulog. Yun. Lakas nung ano. Sarado natin yan kasi baka mamaya mapasukan tayo ng alright. Alright guys, so that's for today. So let's continue and then wait for my next video. Tutuloy natin tong We Harvest Shadow. So kung nagustuhan niyo tong demo game na to guys, don't forget to give like and share this video. And don't forget to subscribe and can suggest and recommend any games that you wanted to play. And ingat and see you on my next video guys. Bye!